Okay, today I'm going to be converting my Waeco CF60 version A into a version B by replacing these components. So the problem is it's having a problem just basically with my LED display up here, not working properly. Bitten the bullet, bought the bits and going to go to version B. Okay, we have two screws on the top, this one here and over here, that just basically comes out there. And then we have the three screws on the top board, 1, 2, 3, that just pops out and feeds down into the guts of the fridge. Okay, and start pulling the lower panel out by pulling off that cover. Don't forget 6 screws underneath. And as you can see here, I have a version A CF60. So when you undo those screws, you just sort of slide this down and you just pivot it up, and there's all the bits that we need to change. You can see here our PCB board's underneath here, and this here cable loom. This cable loom here is the one going up to the switch panel. So it's all very easy to get to so far. I'll pull that off and have a look-see. Looks pretty straightforward. See our compressor in there. For a 10-year-old fridge. Looking pretty good, not a lot of rust. Step back. Here's my harness, redone, white lid removed, yellow bridged onto the brown with a piggyback plug on it, which will be getting piggybacked with the red fan condenser line, and I'll be going onto the small positive. Alright, and the black from the fan is going to F. The original board had the black and white lines to the original PCB board. They are now cut and bridged together, because the new PCB board, as you can see here, does not have provision for the power lines to go to it. Okay. So I'm just going to plug it all in and then I'll show you another video. Okay, wiring harness is done. So you got your blue to T, black to P, a bridged orange and green going to C, bridged yellow and brown going to small positive, and red is going to D, and our black from our fan is going to your F terminal, and then your black and white haven't changed. These two black and whites going to the big positive and negative, which are bridged, coming in from your main supply. The 12 volt is unchanged, hasn't been touched. So all I need to do is get an extension for your thermistor cord, because it's got to go up through the guts of the fridge and connect onto our top panel here. So that's what I'm just waiting for there. I'm just going to go down and buy one of those, and we'll put it all together and see how it goes. Alright, so we've had to extend the thermometer or thermistor cable because it was too short. Couldn't find a replacement, so I've extended it, soldered the joints so we don't have any resistance drop across the connections. So I'm ready to put it all back together and give it a test run. Just double check all your connections, make sure everything's good to go, and we'll see how we go. So here we go, all back together. Got the battery and 240 plugged in. So 240 plugged in, power's on. Press the power button. There we go, we have power. Things. Current temp is 23. Set temp is 5 degrees. 6, 7, 5. Oh, protective plastic still on. Set in degrees C, we can go Fahrenheit or C, and we're on medium, low, medium, high. Leave the battery on medium. That's it. Looks good. It's working. 23 degrees. Fridge light. Just put my lid on. Can hear the compressor running. And power off. The difference between this one and my other one, you actually got to hold the on-off button to turn it on and off for a couple of seconds. Okay, here we are running. I've just slid that out just so I can have a look, make sure everything's working properly. Fan's running. There it is. Everything inside doesn't look like anything's shorting out. Running on 12 volt battery. I had to put the fridge into low. Because I was getting an orange light here. I think the battery is a little bit lower in voltage, showing 11.7 volts there. So it's running on the battery now in low protection mode. You see the 240 volt lead on the ground, all good. So go put it back together and go test it in the car. And that's it. That's how to convert from version A to version B in a CF60 Waeco. Thanks for watching.